Good morning, dear students. Welcome to video teaching class. It's biology for class 9. In last online class and also in the video recorded class, I explained two types of simple permanent tissue: parenchyma and collenchyma. Lastly, I described collenchyma. Well, that day I have also assigned homework on collenchyma. The answer of those questions I am posting today so that you can match and verify your answer. Well, today I will explain sclerenchyma, right? Like parenchyma and collenchyma, sclerenchyma is also a simple permanent tissue. Well, sclerenchyma is a simple permanent tissue having thickened cell wall, and the thickening of cell wall takes place with lignin. So, sclerenchyma made up of cells having lignified cell wall, right? Sclerenchyma is simple permanent tissue, and the cells of sclerenchyma also dead. When the cells attain maturity, the protoplasm vanishes from the cell. That is, the cell become dead on maturity. A mature sclerenchyma cell is dead, not living. Okay. Sclerenchyma is a dead simple permanent tissue having evenly, not unevenly like collenchyma, evenly, uniformly thick cell wall. Thickening of cell wall takes place due to deposition of lignin, that is due to lignification. These cells have lignified cell wall. Well, lignin deposited over cellulose and made the cell wall thick. Okay? Lignified cell wall. Right? Sclerenchyma is dead, simple permanent tissue having uniformly thick cell wall. The thickening occurs due to deposition of lignin. Well, in collenchyma, thickening is not even but uneven, and it occurs due to deposition of pectin. Means collenchymal cells have pectinized cell, while sclerenchymal cells have lignified cell. Right? Now, types of sclerenchyma. So there are two types of sclerenchyma. Fibers means sclerenchyma fibers, and scleroids. Scleroids are also called grid cells or stone cells. Well, fibers means sclerenchyma fibers or elongated cell, tapering at that. Fibers are elongated and taper at the two ends. Well, elongated sclerenchyma cell with tapering end called fibers. Fibers become dead when attain maturity. On maturity, the cells divide protoplasm and become dead. Right? Well, the cell wall is excessively thick, and a small vacuole is present, and a vacuole is present in the cell. Right? it doesn't have protein. Hence, sclerenchyma fiber are dead cells. Second type of cell, sclerites. These are the small size cells, small cells. Well, with uniformly different cell. Right? Okay. The stone cells or sclerites are present in the juicy pulp of certain fruits, say guava. Right? The pulp of guava means juicy mass. Right? Present in guava contains grid cells or stem cells. Well, fiber is present in different parts of plant, say stem, root, and leaves. Right? And next, what role is sclerenchyma play in plant roots? Means what is the function of sclerenchyma? The main function of sclerenchyma is to provide mechanical support. These provide mechanical support to plant parts. They also provide flexibility. Well, more in this chapter we will discuss in next video teaching or in online teaching. Well, that's all. I hope you all understood. Thank you.